Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall any program from your Windows 10 or 11. Now, what you simply have to do, you go down to the bottom left next to the Start menu, and you're going to type in Control Panel. Now, after you get the Control Panel here, you're going to go to the top, which is one of the simplest methods that you can come across, and you're going to tap on Control Panel. On tapping on Control Panel, you're going to get all these options where you have System, Security. You're going to go to the Program, Uninstall a Program. You're going to tap on that, and you'll have a list of all programs that you have on your computer, which you can uninstall. So you're going to scroll through each one and see the ones that you're not in need of. After that, you're going to right click. So say, for example, I'm going to tap on MetaTrader 5, right click on it, and I'll get the option of uninstalling it. Look at this. After right clicking, uninstall option comes, and I can tap on this. On tapping on this, the program will then start to uninstall through the default system of Windows. And you can do that for any program. So if I want to go to my Telegram on desktop, I can do the same. If I want to go to my OBS Institute Studio, I can do the same. If I want to go to Windows PC Health Check, I can do the same. So any software that you have on your computer which you would like to uninstall, simply go to the Control Panel and tap on it, right preferably, and you'll get the option of uninstall, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like the content, share it with your friends and family, and if you have any questions for me, I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.